Hello everyone, I'm Stephen Justice and this is my 8th database video. In the 8th database video, we'll talk about JDBC connectivity. So, our aim is to develop an application for a company to manage its order and supply details using JDBC connectivity. Do the following. Insert new order, modify the order details, delete and record data record from the order table, search the supply details based on product ID. So, what is JDBC? JDBC is a Java API for communicating with database system supporting SQL. So, now we have a program. The program says this is the connectivity program. So now you have a um, connection, that is a class, and then you get a driver manager. Driver manager's inbuilt function which gets the connection from the Oracle JDBC database. So JDBC is linked, and then create a statement. So whatever we are creating a menu type, so you have to choose a function. So now insert new order, and then second is to modify, third is to delete, and fourth is to search. So when you're inputting the values, you use a scanner to input the values, and then a switch case. Switch case suggests whichever the value you choose. For example, if you choose 1, you will go to the insert order. So the first thing they will ask you to do is to insert a value, and then order ID, insert a value, and inside the value you have to put order ID, order date, customer ID. These all are taken as an input using these variables such as OID, date, and CID. Then using a string SQL, you have to insert these values inside your database, and then you have to execute update your SQL. So now you have updated your SQL. Then break the statement and come to the case 2. Inside the case 2, we have already given the modify the other details. So now you have to modify the details. Let us see how we are going to modify the details. So the first thing they're going to ask you to update what. So you have to choose now update order date, customer ID, and order ID. For example, you put next, and then update to what to update to, then the condition, and then you have a string. So update what is the updation and what to update to, and then what is the condition, then break it. So this will all go to the SQL, and then it will convert it and change your database table. Now you have the case 3, you have to delete a value. So the first thing we are printing is a data value, and then what is the condition, you have to delete the value, you pass that condition, and then write the SQL delete from order 1 where whatever the condition you have given, and then execute it. The fourth one is to search a value. Now in order to search a value, just directly select ID name whatever from the supplier, and then you will get the details. So here now you are entering which product you have to search. You'll take whatever the product is, match it, then match it with SID, and then whatever the string, gender, and everything, and then it will print out the supplier ID, supplier name, gender, and the product. Then break it, and if it's a default option, if other than 1 2 3 4 you put anything, you'll print a wrong option. Now close the STMT connection, also you have to close it, and then whatever the exception is, you have to catch the exception, and thus your program is ready. When you execute the program, it will look like this. Choose the program, and you'll have the 4 options to choose one. Insert a value, then you have to insert the values, and you'll get this table. Other thing, this is the values table, and hence you have created the database. Thank you for the video. I hope we'll see you again.